Hello, I'm Hayden Van Meenen from Fine Country and welcome to Cherry Tree House here in the Whaddon Hall estate here in Buckinghamshire. If you'd like to come with me, I'll show you through the Fine Country keyhole and show you who lives in a house like this. Thank you. Cherry Tree House offers an enviable setting. Lovely to see squirrels, pheasants and even a red kite resting on a branch of the big oak tree. The kitchen is fitted with a range of units to wall and base levels with work surfaces over and built-in electric oven, hob and extractor hood. The door leads to the courtyard garden, which is perfect for entertaining and is a real sun trap in the spring and summer months. There is a separate dining room which could also be knocked through to make a larger social entertaining space. The lounge and family room is divided by a brick-built fireplace incorporating a wood-burning stove. This is a bright and spacious room with views across the main gardens. The sitting room offers a great deal of space for entertaining and although large, it's a very cosy space to be on cold winter's night with the wood-burning stove pumping out warmth that benefits the whole house. The village of Whaddon is located just outside of Milton Keynes and offers convenient road access to the M1, Buckingham, the historical coaching town of Stony Stratford and the M40. The first floor benefits from 4 double bedrooms, with the master bedroom having an ensuite shower room and a 4-piece family bathroom. Being part of the Whaddon Hall estate as well as being part of a close-knit village community with its own micro-community within the boundary of the hall, which has a wide range of families and ages from young children up to the retired. The garden presents a lovely sunny space for barbecue parties and is a real hit with children playing and running around on the large lawn. You really do benefit from the best of both worlds here. Outstanding views of the edge of the delightful village, but less than a 15-minute drive to Milton Keynes train station and the main shopping area. Thank you for watching this video tour of Cherry Tree House here in Whaddon Mews in the Whaddon Hall estate in Buckinghamshire. If you do have any questions, please do contact me personally, Hayden Van Meenen, with the contact details to follow. Thank you for watching.